Hi, I am Andre, Creative Director and overall designer for Asbury Ocean Club. 7 years ago, I decided it would be an amazing opportunity to create a new beginning for a town that has an amazing history. So the first time I saw Asbury, what was amazing is some incredible pieces of architecture, an amazing boardwalk, music scene like very few places have. It has a real soul. So it was the time to draw on this inspiration and create a new future for the place. I think the magic of being in town, but creating almost urban resort, which is you are in touch with the sand, you are in touch with the nature. These two pieces together were probably the essence of the inspiration that brought us here. So once you walk through the big bronze doors at the entrance, this is both the residential lobby and the hotel lobby that are the decompression chamber, call it, where you step into vacation actually. Because we were so lucky to have a whole block to develop this property on, we were able to actually create a real dune garden and organize all the hotel rooms around it. And then we have this glass house where we are right now, which is a drawing room and the heart of the whole place that separates the private dune garden on one side from the swimming pool ocean on the other. Between the landscape, the architectural elements, the pool, the reflecting pools, we were able to create different moods, different feels, different moments depending on how you feel. The views are so breathtaking and the ocean kind of feels like part of the universe here. I can understand why you hang out. People that live here feel like they are in an endless vacation. A lot of thought was given to how to make these apartments really homes and not just a pied-à-terre by the ocean. Design connected to how people live definitely can make life so much better.
Hi, I'm David Clark, and welcome to my home in Asbury Park. I chose the Ocean Club because frankly, I just love this building. It reminds me of some of the things you see in South Beach, Miami, and it also has some incredible 5-star amenities. It has an amazing pool with bar service, great food, and a piano lounge. And that's just a few of the amenities that this place has to offer. I live in a 3-bedroom apartment with ocean views. One of my favorite features is the entrance hallway, which I've turned into my own private art gallery. Then you enter into the great room, and the first thing you see is ocean, ocean, ocean. The great room includes a kitchen, living room, and dining area. The open concept allows for great views from everywhere and the perfect place for a party. At nighttime, when I can only hear the ocean, I put in this fireplace so I have something to look at. Since it's a corner unit, I have a beautiful wraparound terrace and an outdoor room which is perfect for a morning coffee or a glass of wine. And the terrace also gives me access to all the other rooms in the apartment, including my principal bedroom. Most days I wake up at sunrise and lay in bed and watch the ocean for a bit. And then I grab a cup of coffee and step out to my outdoor room where I'll watch the surfers for a bit or see a pod of dolphins going by. It's great living here. You're right next to the beach, you have a pool with cruise ship type views, and they'll deliver food and drink right to your apartment. Asbury Park just keeps getting better and better. It's got great people, a great community, amazing small businesses, and people really look out for one another.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?